Hey, what's up, Chiliz holder? This is live price prediction of Chiliz coin. You know why Chiliz is one of my favorite token? This is absolutely one of a good reason. But I explained this in a mid video. Okay, so I get start this video. Before I get start this video, you just please click on the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important. You know why? Because if you get subscribed, then absolutely I updating you every hour, every single day, every good news or bad news. So this is absolutely good for you. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Okay, so let's get started. A challenge live price prediction of last 1 hour result. First of all, we can say here the last 1 hour result. I hope the last 1 hour result is gonna good. You know why? Absolutely, I explained that. This time you can see here the chant is 0.76% has gone up. Absolutely, this is good chant. You can see here. So the price is absolutely gonna good. You can see here 0.4981 US dollar as the latest price of one Chiliz coin. So this is absolutely good price, and I hope they can easily cross it 1 US dollar. What's your opinion? What you can say, can they can cross 1 US dollar? What's your opinion? Okay, so let's check out the graph result. Absolutely going up like a rocket, but again they can start dumping. Absolutely, this is one reason. Okay, so let's check out the last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result has gone you can see here absolutely bad. You know, this is one reason that this result is bad. This is one big reason, and the reason is that because this is the start of month. Absolutely every start of month all cryptocurrencies is gone down. So this is one of unique to they can again start jumping. Absolutely, if you can see here, this is start dumping. Absolutely, because this is the start of month, therefore they can start dumping, but again they can start jumping. You can see here they can start jumping. Absolutely, they start jumping and they can move like a rocket. Absolutely gone very fastly. So this is good news for all holders. Hold it, don't sell at any token. Okay, don't waste any token. This is absolutely good time, but I hope they in the end of month they can give you 1 or 2 US dollar. So this is they can make you a millionaire. So this is absolutely good news for all Chiliz holder. So don't sell it, wait for end of month. I hope this time the result is very bad, but they can make you a millionaire at the end of a month. So wait for end of month. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my strict channel. Please like video and subscribe my strict channel. I am updating you every hour, every good news or bad news. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.